In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Edge, the default browser for Windows 10, and explore its essential settings and noteworthy features. As a Windows 10 user, you'll find that Microsoft Edge is packed with tools designed to enhance your browsing experience, so let's dive right in. First, go ahead and launch the Microsoft Edge browser. This is your starting point for exploring what Edge has to offer. Once the browser is open, head to the top right corner of the window where you'll see three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Click on it or simply press Alt plus F on your keyboard to bring up the menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you'll configure various options to tailor Edge to your preferences. Now let's talk about some key settings and features you should know. Microsoft Edge now integrates with Copilot, an AI companion that can summarize web pages and even assist in generating content. This feature can help streamline your online activities by making it easier to digest information or create new content directly from the browser. Another exciting feature is vertical tabs. You can find this under Appearance and then Tabs. Organizing your tabs vertically can be a real lifesaver, especially if you're someone who tends to have multiple tabs open at once. It makes navigating through them much more efficient and less cluttered. Moving on, Edge offers a built-in text-to-speech feature called Read Aloud. If you come across an article or any web page that you'd prefer to listen to rather than read, this feature is perfect. You can access it by clicking the three dots again, going to More Tools and selecting Read Aloud. Or you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus U on your keyboard for a quicker shortcut. Another powerful tool in Edge's arsenal is its free VPN service, designed to enhance your online privacy. You can find this under Privacy, Search and Services, then Security, and finally activate the Microsoft Edge Secure Network. This will help protect your data from prying eyes as you browse. If you're someone who uses multiple devices, the sync feature in Edge is particularly useful. You can synchronize your browsing data, such as your favorites, history, and passwords across all your devices. This is done under Settings, then Profiles, and then Sync. Lastly, Edge provides a handy PDF editor. Open any PDF document and you'll have access to tools that allow you to draw, highlight, and even sign documents directly within the browser. This eliminates the need for additional software. By familiarizing yourself with these features, you'll be well equipped to make the most of Microsoft Edge. Whether you're using it for work, study, or leisure, this browser offers tools that can boost your productivity and enhance your online experience. Happy browsing!